Hey guys, this is Jody with Admin Remix, and in this video, we're going to talk about the importance of asset management for your school district. If you're in the IT department or if you are the IT director of your school district, then this is a great video for you to watch. So if you guys are looking for a great asset management software or program, then Admin Remix has Asset Remix for you guys to look at. We want to talk about why asset management is so important for your school district. So let's hit on a few key points. 1, storing data in one place. So why is that important? There are other technology that'll help you out in that. So we do have spreadsheets that some of you have used. However, it's not the end all of everything. So asset management will help you store all of your stuff in one centralized register that can be accessed from anywhere, given a single source. It's easy to track. Preventing property loss, $1 billion of equipment can go missing every year. So we are going to help you stop property loss by being able to figure out who is responsible for that property. So your students and your teachers or anyone in your staff will be able to check out that property and you'll know who's responsible for it. Avoiding excess purchases. By knowing what you have on hand, if it's in need of maintenance, if it's working, if it is needing to be replenished, by knowing what you have and what condition it's in, you'll be able to avoid purchasing excess. That'll help you budget for more purchases that are actually needed. Preventing or maintaining your equipment breakdowns or managing those equipment breakdowns. So we'll be able to run a report so you'll know not only when those assets were purchased, what condition they're in, and the location of those devices. So let's say you do have an asset that needs to be maintained or needs to be repaired. You'll know exactly where that asset should be, so you'll be able to repair it quickly. Keeping your software up to date. Knowing what software you have and keeping it up to date will help reduce the security breaches of your device. You want to make sure that all your software is up to date in order to keep everything maintained well. So you can run a report to figure out what the current version is of every asset, and then you can figure out what needs to be updated from there. Maintain asset visibility so you're able to use what you have. As an ex-educator, it was very valuable to me in order to see and run a report of what I had available to me to use so that I can then assess what I needed for my lesson plans to make everything more technology friendly. It's important for school district leaders in order to maintain their budget because what do they need? They need to know what needs to be repaired. If that's in their budget, in order to do that, they need to know if they have what's in the budget to buy new things for their district or their campus, depending on who's in charge of what. For IT directors, it's important for them because they need to know what maintenance needs to be done or what needs to be bought for their department. Pitfalls of manually tracking assets. Manual data entry is prone to mistakes. So when you have multiple contributors to one spreadsheet, then you have people accidentally inputting into the wrong columns. Excel spreadsheets tend to be clunky. So Excel and Google, they weren't made for what we are using them for in technology. They were made for budgeting. Districts can lose control of inventory through accidentally getting their assets shipped to the campus instead of to the IT department first. So then it doesn't get inventoried correctly. Some districts rely on the campus or the department personnel to use their own tracking, and then things again don't get inventory correctly. A lack of mandatory inventory reconciliation, transfer or disposal of equipment is not recorded. For these reasons and many other reasons, we here at Admin Remix would like to talk to you about getting your school district an Asset Remix account. If you would like to talk to us, please reach out to Justin at adminremix.com or just click on our link. If you have any other questions about is it worth it for your district, please reach up at the top or in the middle of our page and you can click on the check the return of your investment and calculate the return of your investment on asset management software. Y'all have a great one.